Hello, my dear friends. So, did you do all those sums that I given for addition and subtraction? You have to do practice, then only you will be able to learn these methods and you will be becoming the expert in these methods. So, now we are going into multiplication. In this multiplication, I am going to tell you some different methods for different numbers. So, let us start with my favorite number, which is 9. So when you are multiplying with 9, whenever you are using 9, if you are multiplying any number with 9, you have a method. What? Again, I am going to split it into 10 minus 1. Can I write 9 as 10 minus 1? If I can write, then I will be able to solve this question. So can I write this one? Again, I am going to split it. See, 54 into 10 minus 54 into 1. Is that what will give the same answer as 54 into 9? Just think logically. If you start thinking logically, mathematics will become very, very easy. So now 54 into 10 is what? Any number multiplied by 10 is very, very easy. You only write the 0 in front of that number, right? And what is 54 into 1? Any number into 1 is the number itself. So what I have to do? I have to subtract this number from Subtract 54 from 540, you will get the number 54 into 9. Any number you can do this. And this is very simple. So what we are going to do? Now I am going to teach you one more subtraction method. One more subtraction method. Okay, that is easy number subtraction. Now we are going to do the subtraction, but how we do, you will see. When the numbers are very far and doing subtraction is better than adding because we have to add a lot. So what we'll do, now when I am subtracting, please see here. This method for multiplication is simple. Write a 0, subtract the number. Write a 0 in front of it and subtract the number. Now, this is what is the method for multiplying any number with 9. So, how do I subtract? While subtracting, what I am going to do is, I am going to again make it easier so that I will be able to do it mentally. That is very, very important. So mentally, how do I do mentally? So what I do in my mind I am going to split this 54 into 40 plus 14. So 40 plus 14. Why 40? Because there is 40 here. So if I subtract 40 plus first, then I will get 500. Then I have to subtract 14. So that will be, again you can split this number as 10. So it will be 490. 490 minus 4 will be 486 is the answer. So 54 into 9, we can be able to do it without any calculation, only mentally. 486. Did you get the method? If you didn't get, then I will solve one more question. 46 into 9. So what I am going to do, I am going to write a 0 in front of it and subtract the same number. So here you can see, here the number, the last two digits again. So this was bigger, so I split it into 40 and 40. Now I am going to split it as 40 plus 6 here. 40 plus 6. 460 minus 40 will be 420 and minus 6 will be 414. So the answer for this is 414. Are you getting the method? Write a 0, subtract the number. When you are subtracting, now you are going to use these easy subtraction method. Easy subtraction method means you are going to split the number which is going to be subtracted in such a way that you get easy number. Right? So again, I am going to take this number 74 into 9. So I will show you one more, 740 minus 74. Now you see this is bigger. So what I will do, I will split it as 40 plus 34. So 40 plus 34 means what will happen? 740 minus 40. Do it in your mind. Try to do it in your mind. 740 minus 40 will be 700. Minus 30. Now do again split this number. Split this number into 30 plus 4. Now you have got how much? 700 minus 30 will be 670. 670 minus 4. 670 minus 4 is how much? 670 minus 4. 666. Is that clear? It should be amply clear to you. So 74 into 9 will be How much? 660. This also you can do. This is also 3460 minus 346. Again, what you will do is we will first subtract this. Again, I am going to one more subtraction. So this I am going to do what? 14 here. It's very easy to do. Subtraction is very easy. So I'll take here 3114. Instead of multiplying 9 into 6 and all, you will be able to do this. Is that clear? Right. So let us go to the next number. The next number is 8. So 8 we are going to calculate. So 8. What is 8 then? So what we have learned till now? 10 minus 1. So this is 10 minus 2. So what I am going to do? Just try to guess what I am going to do. It is very easy. 470 47 into 10 minus 47 into 2. So into 2 means what? This we already know. Into 2 means double the number. So you need to be able to double and halve to do these questions fast. Are you getting my point? Whenever you are doing multiplication shortcuts, you should be able to do doubling and halving fast. So therefore double. Double means what? Again doubling I will tell you. Again doubling I will tell you. All these things you need to note down. If you are not noting down, you will forget it. Please take down everything. Even if you have not taken for night, please take down the subtraction method, this doubling method. All these things are very, very small things, but small things make a huge difference. So now how I'm going to double it? Any doubling. See here. I'll do what? First 80. I'll only double this. Again I am splitting it into 40 plus 7. For doubling. Only for doubling. Subtraction we'll see later. And 7 double is 14. So this will become what? 94. Or you can double, you can split it as 45 plus 2 as well. 45 double is 90 plus 2 double is 4. So 94 again. Now how do I subtract this? 470 minus 94. How do you do? You know it very well. So minus 70, 400 minus 24, 376 is the answer. 376 is the answer. Are you getting my point? So here what is the rule? If you ask me the rule, write a 0 in front of that number and subtract the double. Subtract the double. Write it down. Note it down, please. Okay. So again, I'm going to do one more number. I'll remove all these things. I'll erase. So now 53. 53. So what I'll do? 53 means I'll write a 0 double. 50 double is 100. 3 double is 6. So how do I do? First 100, 430. 430 minus 4 is 424. 430 minus 6 is equal to 424. Are you getting my point? Same thing here. One more here. Come here. Dear friend, 670. Now double it. You can double it 60, 120, 740, 134. 134. How do you do it? Very simple. 70 minus 34 you do. You do what? 70 minus 30 you can do. So how much? 640. Now 100 also we have to subtract. So 540. 540 minus 4. 540 minus 4 is 536. Can you see how beautiful it works? You have to work a little bit. You have to practice a little bit. So next question. Next question. These are going somewhere else. Whether you will be able to follow it, you should be able to follow it. So I'll take it here. Right. So what is this? 4380 and 438 double. Now slowly do it. 400. So 4380, 438 double. 400 double is 800. Just do it in your mind. Just remember. 30 double is 60. 860. This will become 860. Make in your mind like this. Make in your mind 860. Plus 8 double is how much? 16. So how much it should be? 876. Is that clear? So 400 double is 800. 3 double is 6. 8 double is 16. 876. So now you have to subtract 876. This is also very, very easy. Now you can see here this is 04. 48, 43 minus 8 should be very, very easy. Should be very, very easy. How much? 3504. 3504. Now pause this video and do this sum. Pause the video and do this sum. Alright. So let us go to the next method. Are you ready for the next method? I hope you are. So let us go to the next method. Next method is okay. By 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So both are coming together. It's fine, no problem at all. So 4. 4, how do you do? Just guess. I'm going to go ahead. 2 into 2. Doubling we have already learned. So double it and double it. That is the rule. Write these rules down. Double it and double it. So I'm going to 52 into 4 means what I'll do? First I'll do 52 into 2. Into 2. Again into 2 we are going to do. So 52 into 2 will be what? 52 into 2 will be 104. Into 2 will be what? 208. The answer is 208. Same way here, 23 double is 46. 46 double is how much? 92. Same here, 84 double is 168. 168 double is 336. Are you getting double? Double. 160 again what I did 160. I did all in my mind. It is not by heart. So 160 double is 320, 8 double is 16, 336 immediately. Same thing here 316. 316 double is how much? 632. 632 is 1264. The answer is 1264 into 4 direct. Right? Do it yourself. This one do it yourself. Now next 5. 5 is what now? 5 is, if I am speed, please, you can make it slow and see this is very, very easy. Therefore, I am doing it. So 2 into 2, double it, again double it. So 5, anyways, I am going to slow down. I am feeling I am a little bit speed. So 5. 5 means 10 by 2, my dear friend. 10 by 2. 10 by 2, what I am going to do? For this, I am going to write like 64 into 10, whole thing I will divide by 2. See here, this is what the method is. Okay, the method is what? Write a 0, divide by 2 or halve it, divide by 2, divide by 2. Are you getting my point? Divide by 2 means what? Halve it. So I'll remove this so that, okay, we'll do this and then remove it. So here, 64 into this, you see, just observe this. So you have written this rule, now I'm going to tell the method. So either, whenever it is an even number, observe whether it is an even number or an odd number. Even number, first divide it by 2, easy. If it is even number, divide it by 2, how much? 32. Now, write a 0, that's all. So 64 into 10 is, you can do it 640 divided by 2, again halve it. So again, when I am halving also, what I'll do? I'll do this 3, this 2, and then a 0. Same. Halving also will again split those numbers. 600 half is 300, 40 half is 20. Are you getting my point? Okay, great. So let us remove all this ink. Then we are going to do next number. Are you getting this? You will get it faster. Okay, so 51. Now see, this is a odd number. When it is odd number, first write a 0 in front of it. Easier for dividing by 2 or halving. So how do I halve it? Now what I will do is I will halve this first. So it will be 0, 5, and 5 half is how much? 25. So what I will do? I will add it here in this number. This is very, very important. When I am halving, what I will do is 2. This will go as carry now. 255. Got it? Easy. 510. Halve it half. 05. 25. So add that 5 to next number. If it is 1, we'll see that kind of number also. We are going to do lot of squaring and all those things. So 82. What I'll do now? Now 410 direct. 41 is half of this, add also. 348. 348 halve it because it's an even number. 348. 48, see here. 48 half is how much? 24. Now 3 half is 15. So 5 will go here. So this will become 174. Now add a 0. This is the answer for 348 into 5. See how beautiful it will work. 564 again, see 564 into 5. So what I will do is halve it first because it's an even number. So 5 is 25. So what it will be 282, 2820. Is it clear? It should be clear. If it is not clear, go back and see watch the video again. That is the beauty of this video lessons. You can repeat it several times and then make it perfect. Is that clear? We have learned 4 number types. Ready for the next one? Type yes if you are ready for the next one. Go to the discussion button above and then type, because that will give me more and more inspiration to do interesting, because interaction is more important. So type yes. Now I'll remove all these things and go for next method. Next. So what is next? 15. 15 is next, my dear friends. So 15 is, now again try to understand. 15 is, for me it is 10 plus 5. So what I am going to do? Try to understand. This is very interesting method. 15 is very interesting method. Now again 14 into 15 we are going to do. So I have to multiply by 10. I have to multiply by 10 and I have to multiply the same number by 5 and add them. So this means what? 14 into 10 plus 14 into 5. Are you getting my point? This is coming from algebra. You might have been able to identify it. So 10 means what? 10 means what? 140. Half means, so into 5 means we have just now learned. Into 5 means whatever. We add a 0 and then half of it. So we have already added 0. So we'll halve that number. Halve that number and directly we can write 210. Add this in your mind. You will learn it. Very easy. So next number we'll take. So add a 0. The method is what? Write a 0. Write a 0. Halve it, then add both. Write this down. These are very important. Write it down. Write a 0, halve it, add both. So halve this number, 180. What is the answer? 36 plus 18 is 540. 540. So I will do something this side as well. So 450. 450, half of this is how much? 225. What is the answer? 675. Can you see? Into 15 is so easy. 6290. See here, 6290. Halve this number. Halve. Again, what I am going to do? I am going to halve this number and I am going to halve this number. Now add both of them. So 3, 5, 4 and 9. 9, 4, 3, 5. Can you see here? 629 into 15 is very simple. 6290 plus half of it. Finish. Are you getting my point? So again, I am going to do this one and then go to 25. 1648. So add a 0. Halve it. This will become what? This will become 8. This will become 24. 0. So 0, 12. Okay. Anyways, we can add that way as well. So how much? 24. 24 600. 24 600. 7 600. 24 680. 24 720 will be your answer. Is that clear? Addition this way you can do. So let us go for the 25. One I have left, that you can do yourself. So let us go to next one. I think you are ready for this. 25. 25 is what? 25. Again see here. 100 divided by 4. So 100 divided by 4 means what? If you have to multiply 12 into 25 means 12 into 100. Okay, divide it by 4. This is what you have to do. 12 into 100 divided by 4. Now, divided by 4 means what? Again, I am going to split this as 2 into 2. So, how this method will work? Write two zeros. Write two zeros. And then I am going to zeros. Divide by 2 or halve it. Okay, again divide by 2 or Again halve it. Are you getting this? Very easy. So let us see. 1200. Half of this. First what you will do? Halve it. 600. Halve it. 300. So 12 into 25 is how much? 300. Very easy. You can see here. 48. You can do other ways as well. You can halve it two times and then add two zeros. That is also fine. We'll do like that. So half of this is 24. Half of that is 12. Add two zeros. That's all. 48 into 25 will be half 24. Half 12. Add two zeros at the end. Same here. 86. Half is 43. Half is how much? 21.5. Now, point is there. So, 0.10 will go. So, therefore, it will be how much? 150. That's all. So, this will remove. So, this is also try to understand. It will be 21.5. This 10, we had to write two zeros. 10 will use for this decimal point. You know it very well. When we come to decimal division also, we'll try to learn all those things we are going to learn. But now just understand, 10 will go for this decimal point and 10 you are going to write here, 2150. Another number here. So this halving is a little difficult. Two times it will be difficult. So what I'll do? 25700 I'll do and then halve it. So 700 half is 350. 25 half is 1 2. 5 will come. So therefore it will be 8. Got it? Very easy. Try to understand. 25 will be 12 and a half. So half will go here and it will be 12,850. Now again halve it. Again halve it. What will it will become? So 50 half is 25. 8 half is 4 and 12 half is 6. 6, 4, 2, 5. And then you have to add 2. So 2 zeros is already added. Alright. So 6, 4, 2, 5 is the answer. 6, 4, 2, 5 is the answer. So this one 1448 you can do it yourself, I feel. So I think you are enjoying these methods. So let us go to the next method. So what we have done till now, just 9, add a 0, subtract the number 8, add a 0, subtract double of the number 4, double it and double it 5. 5 what we did? Add a 0, divide by 2 or halve it. Then 15 we have done. 15 is what? Add a 0, halve it, add them. Then 25. 25 is what? 25 is add 2 zeros, halve it, halve it. Add 2 zeros, halve it, halve it. Is that clear? Now let us go to the next method. So then I am removing all these things. So let us go to the next one. Okay, so multiplication is continuing and we are going to learn what this. This is multiplication of any number by 11 to 19. Any number between 11 to 19. How do we do this? So 11 is very easy. So I am going to teach you only when you are multiplying any number with 11 to 19. This is the same number. So the rule has been given, multiply by right digit. Multiply by right digit of 11 to 19. So this is the one. Here this is the one. Here this is the one. And here this is the one. Then add the right neighbor. Then when you multiply and then add the right neighbor. How do we do this? I will show you. So 1 into 2. Is there any right neighbor here? There is no right neighbor, so I will directly write the answer here. Then I will multiply this. I multiplied with this. Multiply by right digit, so I will multiply this with right digit. 1 into 3 is 3. Add the right digit. Add the right digit is right neighbor. So this is the right neighbor to this number, not this number. This number. Okay. So this will be what? 3 plus 2. So 5. Again same thing. 1 into 7. 1 into 7 will be what, my dear friend? 1 into 7 will be 7. Plus 3 plus you are going to add the right neighbor. So it will become 10. So there will be a carry here. So 0. Then 1 into 1 is 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. See now. Now what we have to do? You have to see here. Anything is to multiply. Here nothing to add, so we didn't do. But we cannot ignore it. 9052 is not the answer. Okay. So what I am going to do, you will see here nothing is there. Till you get practice, you write a 0 here if you want. 0 plus 1 is 1. Is that clear? It will be clear. We are going to solve some more questions here. Is that clear? Okay. Now 2 into 8 I am going to do. Multiply by right digit. So I multiply by right digit. What I'll get? 16. Anything to add here? Nothing to add. So I'll write 16. 1 as carry. Now 2 into 9 is 18 plus we have to add the right neighbor. Everywhere same thing. So 18 plus 8 is 26 plus 1 is 27. So 2 will be carry. Slowly you see it. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Yes or no? 10 plus 9 is 19. Do it along with me. Write it down and do it along with me. So 10 plus 9 is 19 plus 2 is 21. So 2 will go as carry and 1 will come down. Then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now we are not left at that. What I am going to do? Again I am going to do and think that there is a 0 here. So 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 plus any carry is there? No carry. So I will write 1. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Fine. So here again we are going to do it. So 3 into 1 is 3. I'll write 3. There is nothing to add here, so I'll leave it. 3 into 9 is 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1. So how much I'm going to add this one, right? So 27 plus 1 is 28. No carry is there, so I'll take 28. Now 3 into 8. 3 8 is 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 is 33 plus 2 is 5. Are you getting this one? Are you getting the hang of it? Okay, great. So now from here to here, 3 3s are 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. So I'll take carry here. Now nothing to multiply. So I'll do here 3. So I'm assuming there is a 0 here. Plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 50583. You can use any calculator and find out whether I'm correct. Better is your own word method calculator so that you will get practice. So last one I am going to do. We can do with 9, that is not a problem at all. So 4 into 4 is 16, nothing to add. 4 into 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 3s are 12, plus 1 13, nothing to add here, 13. So 1 is going as carry. 4 4 is 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 1 is 20. Now nothing to multiply here. So 0 I am assuming. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Is that clear? 60396. Is that wonderful? You can do it. Practice anyways I am going to give you. So do all the practice. Now let us go to the next one. Are you ready for the next one? Okay. So something has come here. So I will remove all this. Okay, so this, just note down, these are you are going to do. Now there is nothing, the method is very clear. There is no doubt about it. The method is very clear. Take any number, you have to take this number, multiply with this, nothing to add. 8 8 is 64. I am doing again, I do not know. Okay, so 8 9 is 72 plus 8 is 80, 80 plus 6 is 86. Again 8 1 is 8. Plus 9 is 17, 17 plus 8 is how much? 17 plus 8 is 25. Again 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 2 is 18, sorry 19. 19. And then the 8, nothing is there, 2 plus 1 is 3. Is that clear? So you can do all these questions. Right, note it down. Shall we go to the next one? Are you ready? Are you excited? Come on, do it. Okay. Now multiplication of numbers near to 100. When we are going to this number, please remember this we are going to use for squares as well. So this method we are going to use for squares as well. So squares. So therefore you need to be very careful. This we call as, I didn't write it. It is called as base 100 method. This is coming from Vedic maths, so base 100 method. Now what we'll do here, please try to understand. What we'll do here, we'll take this number and we'll find out how much it is less than or more than 100. how much it is less than or more than. This is less than, right? Less than. How much less than is my 4. So if it is less than, then I will add 4 here. Less than 100. How much it is less than 100 or more than 100? That is 4 less than 100. So I am writing minus 4. This is how much? Minus 11. This is 11 less than 100. Understand this? You have to see the number, how much it is less than 100. This is 4 less than 100, so I am writing minus 4. This is 11 less than 100, so I am writing minus 11. Now what we'll do is we'll do cross addition. We'll do what? Cross addition. Cross addition. 89 minus 4. Because there is a minus, I am going to do minus. 89 minus 4 is 85. Or you can see the same thing will appear here as well. You have to do only once, but for only you can do anything. 96 minus 11 is again 85. So it doesn't matter which one to which one. Only it has to be crossed. You cannot directly again minus 89 minus 11. No. 89 minus 4 or 96 minus 11. Then what we are going to do is we are going to multiply these differences. Now I will start calling these as differences because there will be several questions like this. So differences. Minus 4 into minus 11. Minus 4 into minus 11. How much? Plus 44. Yes or no? Plus 44. Because it is plus 44, I am going to write it here. And that is your answer. You can surprise your friends by doing this very, very simple and very powerful and correct method. You can check all the method what I say. So is that understood? One more time I am going to repeat it, or you can pause and then go back and repeat it yourself, but I am going to repeat it. So first thing what we did, I am going to tell you again first thing what we did. First thing what we did was we find out the difference from 100. We found out difference from 100. Difference from 100. If it is less, then minus. If it is more, then plus. You can note it down so that even if you get more than 100. And where you use, normally what I do is whenever I say near to 100, I will use for 85 to 115. Not more than that. From then on, it will become complicated. And there is another method which we can deal with for these remaining numbers. So use it for if both the numbers, very important, both the numbers are between 85 and 115. So now less means you have to write minus, more means you have to write plus. Then what we did, we wrote it in front of them, difference from 100, write it. So write it in front of them. Then what we did, cross addition. Cross addition are your first two digits. First two digits. Cross first two digits. That is what you have to remember. When I did this 89 minus 4, I wrote this as first two digits. That is very important. And then multiply the difference. Multiply the difference. And write it in front of them. That you can note down. Write it in front of them. Multiply 4 minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 11, and then it is 44 plus 44, so I wrote it like this. Is that clear? Can we go to the next one? So what is next? Is there any question next? So again, this is explained here, that is fine. Okay. Now let us see here. 94 into 93. So now the machine is going to do everything. So here is all in. So next time. So 94 is how much less than 100? Minus 6 because it is less than. So minus 6. Then 97 is how much less? Minus 3. See here. Then how much? What we have to do? Cross addition 97 minus 6. Anyways, you can do 94 minus 3 or 96 minus 97 minus 6. So what I will get? The first two digits which are written here. Can you see here? So these are the first two digits. 97 minus 6 is 91, which is written here, and then minus 6 into minus 3 is how much? 18 plus 18. So I am going to write it directly. Pause this and see once again if you are not clear. This is base 100 method. Very, very simple. Okay. So can you see here, multiplication of complementary numbers. So this is one I have to do again. Not again, the first time we are doing, but I have done it several times. So what is this? The rule is when the unit digits add up to 10, what are these complementary numbers? Not method, this is what is the explanation. What are complementary numbers? When the unit digits add up to 10. So unit digit in here is 4, here it is 6. So if you add both of them, what you will get? 10. Same thing here, the unit digit of this and this, if you add up, you will get 10. 3 plus 7, you will get them 10, and so on. Is that clear? And the remaining digits are same, my dear friend. Remaining digits should be same. Here 7, 7, here 5, 5, here 4, 4, here 3, 3. Alignment a little bit different here, but that doesn't matter. I think. How to solve this? Listen carefully. If you see these numbers, you should be able to do this within 2 seconds. How? I'll do it. 1224 is the answer. 2016 is the answer. How I'm doing? 3021 is the answer. 5609 is the answer. Are you getting? Can you just guess what it is? Or already you know that I don't know. So let me again do it again so that I will show you how we can do it faster. So now here, where I'm here. So what I get is first thing. So these add up to 10 unit digits you multiply, my dear friends. Just multiply. 4 6 are how much? 4 6 are 24. Then what you do? This is same number. Listen carefully. Note it down. Multiply the unit digits and just write them here. Multiply the last two digits, that is unit digits, and write it here. And then what you do? You see this same digit, multiply with the next number. What is next number for 3? 3 next number is 4, my dear friend. 3's next number is 4. 4's next number is multiplied by 5. 5's next number is 6. Are you getting my point? Whatever is the same number, you are going to multiply with the next number. So 3 into 4 is 12. That is what I wrote, 1224. Here what I am going to do, 8 2 the 16, and then 4 5 are 20, 20 16. Getting the point? So 4 into 5 20, and 8 into 2 is 16. Now again same thing here. 3 into 7 is 21, and then 5 6 the 5 this number, both numbers are same, both digits are same. So into next number. Next number is 5 6 the 13. Now this one. 1 into 9 is 0 9. Now it will be 0 9. That is very very important. And 7 8 are 56. 7 8 are 56. 5 6 0 9 is the answer. Clear? So it should be very much clear. Whenever, only when the last two digits, that is, sorry, the unit digits add up to 10 and remaining numbers are same. Is that clear? You can even do this one. 124 into 126. So what I am going to do? 4 and 6 is 4 6 are 24. 12 into 13 I will do. 12 into 13 is 156. 15624. You can do it several numbers, but what I feel is only when it is two digits, it will be very easy to do. If it is like this, then we'll go for other method. Or if you can do 12 into 13, if it becomes like 562 and 568, it will be much difficult. So we'll apply other method. Is that clear? Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn this much. In the next video, I am going to tell you the general method for all other multiplications. So whatever we have done is 9, 8, 5, 4, 15, 25, near to 100, that is 85 to 115, and then complementary numbers we have done. Now we are going to go for next. In the next video, we are going to go for all other numbers. So till then, again solve the questions. again from the question that I'm going to give in the below this period. Is that clear? Okay.